Hello, if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen, and today we're going to be looking at what we're going to be cooking up for next week. Monday, we're going to be going in easy and making a grilled chicken salad. Tuesday is my favorite soft, crunchy tacos. Crunchy, soft taco, whatever you want to call it. Wednesday is our pasta, and it's pretty much spaghetti with penne noodles. On Thursday is a ham sub. It's super simple and not one to sleep on. Friday is a barbecue chicken wrap, another one of my favorites. For the salad, I did grill my chicken in Friday's meal, and then I refrigerated it over the weekend for tonight's meal. I'm not really sure why, but cutting cold chicken is so much easier than when it's already warm. For the tomato, I did cut it in half, and then cut it in half, and then cut it in slices, and then cut it into dices, and it really did cut up really nicely. With the onions, you want to cut them however you want to eat them in your salad. I prefer them in long slices. The tomato for the tacos, I did cut it similar to how I cut it for the chicken salad, but I did cut them a little bit smaller diced than I did for the salad. The onions for the tacos were cut up in a dice, but I made sure to cut them so that they were very finely diced. I used pre-shredded lettuce, but you can cut yours up if you want to. The prep work for the pasta is the majority of the work to make this meal. The onions and the peppers, I just cut them up into chunks. Whatever size of the bite that you want, that's what size you want to cut your chunks. The ham sub is really no effort at all. I mean, how hard is it to make a sandwich? But it is so good. I used some leftover onions from Monday's meal and some leftover lettuce from Tuesday's meal and created Wednesday's meal. The prep work for Friday's meal is as simple as cutting an onion into slices. If you don't want to grill your chicken, that's okay. You can cook it how you want to. You could also use the ready-to-eat chicken if you need to simplify your meal. Over on Patreon, you can come over and get your download that has the menu as well as the grocery list. Patreon is a monthly subscription platform that helps me to bring my service to who needs it. Life is busy and meal planning is a chore, but not anymore. The link is down in the description. Get your download and grab your groceries and come back on Monday and let's make this salad. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.